Whether you're a seasoned pro using Google Classroom, Google Sites, or a learning management system like D2L or Brightspace, or you're a beginner just looking to find a place to share some of your resources and links and content, using Google Slides as a digital bulletin board is a great place to start. This is a link with a bunch of resources and examples. The first one up top here is a space where you can go and access a Google Camp presentation I've done in the past with lots of examples and templates and simple instructions. This is an example that we'll use today. I like to call it the big button board. And that's just a place where you can put a bunch of links and announcements for people to access. You might also use a digital bulletin board for showing how to take up a math question. And you can scan a picture of the math question, upload a video, maybe some audio and links. And yeah, let's just get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to click on one of these so you can get a template. So once you have the template that you want, you're going to go to the top right and click Use Template. Once it creates this template for you, you can go ahead and get creative. Put a little personality to it and change the theme or change the background if you'd like to. I'm going to leave it as is, but you may want to put your classroom site if you have one. If you don't, you can put your school site. And if you have a Google Classroom, great. If you don't, you can change that up as well. For this one, I'm going to put, let's see here. We'll go with announcements. Actually, we already have announcements there. So this one here, I will put article of the day. So if I have a specific link to an article that I want to use, this is from Teaching Kids from News, Teaching Kids News, and I'm going to use this link here. I'm going to copy the link, and then I'm going to go into the document. Oops. And I'm going to now right-click on the actual box, which is also a button, and I'm going to now put a link in here. So now when I paste this link, when a student clicks on this button, it'll let them directly go to that site. I can also upload images if I wanted to. I can upload videos, and I can put in different text pieces. So maybe I want to put a little announcement here. Hello, I hope you're all doing well. Remember to read every day. So let's say you have an announcement board. So what you want to do is you want to create a new slide. And when you create your new slide, you can go here and write and announce. And you can write here, remember to brush your teeth. You can put whatever you want in there. And now let's say you wanted to take this front page and link it to the announcements. What you're going to do is you're going to right click on the announcement button, click link, and then here at the bottom it says slides in presentation. And if you want to get a clear look, you can move the button up a bit, and now you can link slides in presentation. So I can put a link to a website, or I can connect it to slide 2, which is announcements, and click apply. So now every time I click on this button, it would go to my announcements. Same thing, if I wanted to now change this and make it go back to the home page, I'm going to go to shape. I'm going to make a button, and my button's going to say back. And now, same thing, I'm going to right click it. I'm going to click link, and then I'm going to go to slides in this presentation, and I'm going to go to the very first slide. And what happens now is when I click on this button, it'll go back to our very front page. Once you have all that content, it's always live. So what I can do now is say, all right, I'm ready. So I'm going to go and publish this. I'm going to go to File, Publish to Web, and I'm going to click Publish. And what that'll do is it'll create this long link here, where if I plug in this long link, it will go to a flattened out bulletin board, and it won't show all of the little settings and pieces that we have on the side here. So you'll be able to see the whole bulletin board here, and you can click on announcements, and it'll go to your announcements, and you click on back, and it'll go to the back as well. So all you have to do is just share that one link, and you can embed all the videos and links and announcements and different things that you want in here.